So guys, the reason why you're getting this error is because too much RAM is being used up currently. So we need to clear the RAM. So for the first method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on memory. It's now going to show you all the applications that are taking up the most memory. If you're not using any of them, then you want to click on it and then click on End Task. You want to free up as much memory as possible. Once you do that, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on advanced. And now you want to select change. And now once you're on this, you want to untick this box, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And now you want to select the drive where you have your virtual machines installed on. Now once you select that drive, now you want to select custom size. You want to set your initial size and maximum size. Here are my recommendations. If your RAM is 8GB, you should set your initial size to 8192 and your maximum size to 16384. And you can read the rest right here. So for example, let's say that my RAM is 16GB. I'm going to set my initial size to 16384. I'm going to type in right here 16384 and the maximum size is going to be 32768. These are my recommendations, so just set your initial size and maximum size accordingly to how much RAM that you have. Next, you want to click on set, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again, and now you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem. One last thing you can try is you can take off the custom size and then reselect System Managed Size, and then click on Set, and now you want to tick the box, automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Now you just want to simply restart your computer again, see if that works.